In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client database in Glide. To get started, open your browser and head over to Glide. Once the site loads, click Login so you can access your workspace and the apps you've already created. After signing in, open the app you want to edit. This is the app where your client database will be added, so make sure you're in the correct project before making any changes. Once the app editor opens, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you manage the structure and navigation of your app. Click the plus Add option in Navigation to create a new area users can access inside the app. When prompted, select the Clients table as the data source. This step connects the new section directly to your client information, which allows Glide to display records from that table in an organized way. After that, move to the right-hand sidebar. Here, you can choose a style for how the client database appears on screen. This affects the layout and presentation, so pick the option that makes the list easiest to scan and use. Depending on your app, you may want something simple and clean so client names and details are easy to find quickly. Next, return to the left sidebar and click plus Add Component. Components let you add useful functionality to the screen, and in this case, you'll want to add a button component for updating requests. This is a practical addition if you need a quick action tied to client records or follow-up tasks. Once the button is added, go to the right sidebar again to configure it. This is where you define how the button behaves and make sure it supports the update request action the way you intend. Take a moment here to review the settings carefully so the button works smoothly for anyone using the app. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Publishing saves your changes and makes the updated version of your app available. It's a good final step to confirm that your new client database section, selected style, and action button are all in place and working as expected. And that's it. You've now created a client database area in Glide and added a button to help manage update requests more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.